Hi guys, it's Ryan again, back with another video. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Right now I'm bringing you guys a 2021 Audi Q5 Sportback. This is our first one at the dealership. This one's painted in the Daytona Gray. Does have the sport package on it with the 21-inch wheel package. They'll be bringing the black optic package to the 2022 model. But it's got the all-new fascia that the 2021 Q5 carries. And the biggest difference is going to be this rear hatch. It's a little more sloped in the back. Hope you guys are liking the video. Again, I'm trying to bring you guys a lot more content on a lot of the newer models that are coming out. And guys, the dealership's Audi Concord, California. Wanted to put that in the background. My name's Ryan. Once again, I'm bringing you guys this content, showing you all the new models. Like, comment, please let me know what you guys want to see next. All right, guys, here's explode mode. Kind of everything that's going on underneath the hood. The all new interior with the 10.1-inch touchscreen there. And because it has a sport package, it has the robust satellite inlays there, that kind of that silver. Full leather package, Bang & Olufsen, and then kind of making our way to the trunk area. Alright guys, and here's just a quick little breakdown of the inside, the virtual dashboard. This car does have the GPS package, so you have the ability to have the screen here. You'll be able to have GPS here. If you guys don't get the GPS package, do know that Apple CarPlay is standard and you can get it wirelessly, as well as Android Auto. The only difference is Android Auto you would need to plug in. Again, this particular build has the Bang & Olufsen, all the climate controls, camera views. Again, this has the Premium Plus on it, so you're getting the 360 camera. I love things like this where you can hit the wheels. So if you're gonna park next to a curb, you can determine if you're gonna scratch up your 21-inch wheels or not. Yep, so one more walk around, guys. Again, Q5 Sportback 2021, painted in Daytona Gray with the black leather. What I just showed you guys was the Premium Plus package, and it has the Sport package, so that's the seats and the wheels, and then also has the GPS package included.